Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, the application failed to initialize properly with the error code 0xc0000135 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to repair or reinstall the application which is giving the error. So let us say the application is ShareX. I'll search for it. I'll click on app settings in the right pane. I will scroll down. I'll click on terminate. I will select repair. Then I'll select reset. The next one is to reinstall the .NET framework. I will search for .NET framework in the Windows search bar and hit enter. Okay. So I'll have to go to this learn.microsoft.com link and I'll select this option here and install .NET framework on demand. Now search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and click on turn Windows features on or off. Just make sure that all these options for .NET framework 3.5 and 4.8 are all checked, each and every one of them, all of their subsets. Then click on OK. It will need a while to change everything, and then you will also have to restart your computer. And finally, troubleshoot in the clean boot state just in case any third party software is interfering. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.